Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by securing Yahoo and getting the credential Outlook needs. First, enable two-step verification in Yahoo, because Outlook requires an app password rather than your regular sign-in. Once done, generate a new app password, copy it, and keep your Yahoo email address handy. Make sure to close any open mail apps so settings don't conflict. Now move to Outlook. You'll use the app password instead of your normal Yahoo password when adding the account. You'll add the account in Outlook and configure IMAP/SMTP. Go to File, Add Account, type your Yahoo email, then select Manual Setup or Additional Server Types. Choose IMAP and enter incoming server IMAP. Mail, Yahoo. COM with port 993 and SSL, then outgoing SMTP. Mail, Yahoo. COM with port 465 or 587 and SSL/TLS. For login, use your full Yahoo email and paste the app password you created. Once Outlook tests the settings successfully, finish and let it sync your folders. You're nearly done. Confirm sync and test sending mail. Make sure Inbox, Sent, and Drafts appear. Send a test message to verify SMTP. If Outlook shows authentication or connection errors, re-enter the app password and double-check ports and SSL settings. Ports 993 IMAP and 465/587 SMTP with SSL/TLS are required. If problems persist, remove the account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.